In chapter 5, we were discussing about various methods of separation. Again and again I am asking, are you reading from book or not? Please do go through the book each and every day. That is why we are giving you questions that you have to find from book and mark the answer in book only that day. Okay, and the answers which are given to you for other assignment, that you can tally with your book answers and can then write them in your fair notebook. Okay, so let us start with our next methods of separation. These methods are sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Okay, these three methods we will discuss today. Okay. Now, what is there? Up till now we have studied that if two solids are mixed together, how we can separate them. But sometimes if an insoluble solid is mixed in liquid, okay, insoluble and soluble you studied in chapter 4. If you have not studied, go through that video again of chapter 4 and you can recapitulate it from there. So insoluble, of course, which is not soluble in water. Okay, अगर कोई insoluble substance dissolve हुआ है water के अंदर, तो अब हम उसको कैसे separate करेंगे? Okay, here one component is liquid, that is water, and another component is solid. Here we will be taking sand. Sand is insoluble in water. Okay, let us see about first process, that is called as sedimentation. Now here I have taken this very glass. In this glass I am taking some amount of water. Now in this water I will be mixing some amount of sand. Okay, ये sand है, ठीक है, इसको मैं इसमें mix करूँगी. As you know, sand is otherwise insoluble in water. Insoluble है ये, ठीक है, mix नहीं होगी अच्छे से ये. Now after some time, what will be happening? Like this, you are able to see that how it looks when we mix sand in water, or if you are having muddy water, how it looks like. Now you have to wait, you have to let it stand for 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, it will look like this. Okay, what is there now? You see here that sand is settled at the bottom. You are able to see the sand here. Okay, and the water with some dust particles is settling on the top with very small pieces, you can say, of some dried leaves or humus which is there in that very sand that is on the top. Okay, now this process is called as sedimentation. In the process of sedimentation, the insoluble solid settles at the bottom and the liquid collects at the top with some dust particles also. So this is called as sedimentation. Understood? Now this sedimentation is useful in our day-to-day life. When we are preparing the food, you may have seen your mother washing the pulses before cooking. ठीक है, उसको क्या करते हैं, एक बाउल में लेते हैं. Okay, and then what we do in a big bowl we take some amount of that pulse that we have to prepare, and then we add some water in it to wash it. Okay, तो अब अगर वहां पर उन पल्सेस के साथ क्या है कि कुछ डस्ट के पार्टिकल्स या कुछ छोटा उसके ऊपर कलर अगर बाय चांस लगा हुआ है, ओके, विच इज ऑफ कोर्स इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर ऑल्सो, सो दैट विल बी कमिंग इन वाटर. ठीक है, वो वाटर में आ जाएगा एंड देन वी कैन थ्रो दैट वाटर. ओके, so with that process we just try to clean that pulses before cooking. ठीक है, कुकिंग से पहले उन दालों को इस तरह से धोया जाता है. so that is there. Now after this you see that water is still not clean, of course. Now we want clean water, so what we will be doing, we will pour the above water in another glass. ठीक है, अब ये जो ऊपर वाला वाटर इसमें कलेक्ट हुआ है, ठीक है, हम इसको अदर ग्लास में ले लेंगे. Okay, we'll try that sand should not come, it is settled at bottom. Now this is decanted water. ठीक है, जो decantation हो गया है, after that the water we are getting is decanted water. ठीक है, अब इस वाटर के अंदर आप देख रहे हो कि कुछ डस्ट पार्टिकल्स हैं. ओके, नाउ दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग आउट द वाटर फ्रॉम दैट वेरी प्रीवियस वाटर आफ्टर सेडिमेंटेशन, okay, this process is known as the decantation. Understood? Now this process of sedimentation you have seen in case of an insoluble solid dissolved in liquid. But what is there if some insoluble liquid is also dissolved in another liquid? जैसे क्या होता है कि वाटर के अंदर अगर कोई ऑयल डिसॉल्व हुआ है, ठीक है, जब वो भी क्या है, इनसॉल्युबल है. ठीक है, वो मिक्स नहीं होता है अच्छी तरह से वाटर में. नाउ लेट अस सी, ओके, वी आर टेकिंग सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन दिस ग्लास एंड देन वी विल बी एडिंग ऑयल इन इट. सो ऑफ कोर्स ये भी क्या है, इनसॉल्युबल है. वी कैन सी दिस ऑल्सो दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो इनसॉल्युबल. हम मिक्स करके देख लेंगे इसको. ठीक है, मिक्स करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट what you will be observing after some time that the oil, you can see the layer of oil on the top of the water. ठीक है, थोड़े टाइम इसको डिसॉल्व करके भी देखेंगे. अब जो ऊपर ऑयल है, ओके, वी कैन टेक आउट विद द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिकेंटेशन. ठीक है, डिकेंटेशन की प्रोसेस से इसको भी हम सेपरेट आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस मडी वाटर, दैट हाउ टू क्लीन इट. Another process is there called as filtration. Okay, now what is filtration? It is a process used to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, यहाँ जो insoluble solid part है, now in this case what is the insoluble solid? That is dust particles. ठीक है, तो इसमें dust particles अभी insoluble particle इसमें dissolve है. So now how to separate it? Now in the case of filtration, we take a filter paper. So I was having this simple tissue paper at home. So with this I'll show you this activity of filtration. We make a cone with the filter paper. Okay, filter paper से हम ऐसे कोन शेप बनाएंगे. ओके, सिंपल कोन शेप. एंड देन आई हैव मेड अ सिंपल फनल विद द हेल्प ऑफ बॉटल, जो ओल्ड प्लास्टिक बॉटल थी. ओके, उसकी हेल्प से एक फनल बनाई है मैंने. ओके, so simple with the use of old things I am reusing that. Okay, now in this funnel I'll be keeping this filter paper. ठीक है, इस फिल्टर पेपर को इसमें एडजस्ट कर देंगे हम इस फनल के अंदर. in this manner you can see here. Okay, now this decanted water I'll be pouring into this filter paper. ठीक है, तो इसमें ये जो decanted water है वो हम डाल देंगे. Okay, afterwards you will be observing that the clean water that will be collected at the base. So what is there? This is not a very good filter paper, of course. In market very good filter papers are available. With that we can very well get the pure water, clean water. In our homes also, you know that various type of ROs and filters, they are fixed to clean the water. If some dust particles, some germs, of course, if they are present in the filter, that very water which is coming from the water supply, our filters which we have at our home, due to them, then this filtration process is done under them. Okay, and then we are getting the clean water to drink. Understood? So these are the main processes we have to discuss today. First is sedimentation, then decantation, and then filtration. Understood? So you will read the book. Of course, I'll mention page number also. Okay, in book you can see these processes here. Okay, this is the diagram given of sedimentation and decantation. I'll myself give you one diagram which you have to make in your fair notebook. And then this one, this is of filtration. Okay, this is how they are showing that this type of filter paper is available in market. Okay, how we have to make cone out of that filter paper. And then this is a stand in our labs. We adjust funnel, in that we adjust this filter paper, and on that filter paper we pour the water, muddy water, and then the dust remains on the filter paper, and we get the clean water in the beaker which is here. Okay, so this is how filtration is done. Now what is there? This filtration process, as in the beginning only, in introduction part we discussed about that tea, that when we prepare the tea, after that we filter it with the help of a strainer. That is also a process of filtration. Okay, वो जो tea leaves हैं after tea is prepared, तो वो जो tea leaves रह जाती हैं okay, prepared tea में, हम उसको कैसे remove करते हैं? With the help of strainer. Strainer is also a type of filter. Okay, और वो process क्या हुई? Filtration. Otherwise also some of the juices, okay, fruit juice है या vegetable juice है, okay, so if we have to drink it, before drinking what we do? We also strain it with the help of a strainer. Okay, so that is also the process of filtration. So in our day-to-day life we are using this process first of all for cleaning the water that we drink, and then in tea. Okay, after that we prepare tea, after that we want that clean tea without the tea leaves, and then remove the pulp of fruits and juices also we use strainer. So this is all about sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Thank you.